To turn on or turn off randomization memory allocation in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Set menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Update and Security, and then click or tap Windows Security. And then select App and Browser Control. Select Exploit Protection Settings. And then scroll down screen. On Randomize Memory Allocations, bottom up ASLR. So click or tap drop down menu, and then to turn on select on by default, or to turn off select off by default. Randomize locations for virtual memories allocation. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.